Want to learn how to type numbers and they instantly go inside brackets in Excel? Let me show you how to do that. Once you're in Excel, the first thing you want to do is to select a column or a row and just simply press Ctrl+1 on your keyboard. Now from here, you want to go ahead and select numbers and select custom. Here you want to select 0 under the section where you have the type, and you want to type the brackets on each side of your numbers. Now from here, go ahead and click on OK. Then you want to go ahead and choose a column and just simply type in, for example, number 1 and hit enter on your keyboard. You will notice that it automatically adds the bracket. Now, all you have to do is just select the cell where you have that one number and you want to look towards the lower right hand side of the cell. Press Ctrl on your keyboard and just drag it down to wherever you want to stop. So let's do it until 20 or 21. As you can see, I am in the cell 20. And so I can just drag it all the way from here while pressing Ctrl on my keyboard, then release both. And as you can see, it automatically adds brackets to the numbers in Excel. And that's how easy it is, guys, to type numbers in Excel and they automatically add brackets to both sides. Very easy and very simple. If you find this useful, give this video a like. And if you'd like to see more tips like this, hit the subscribe button. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll definitely know that you found value within this content. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.